Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing AI Vora. In this video, I'll guide you with a full walkthrough demo of the AI Vora software. The world's first AI suite that combines the power of top-tier AI models like ChatGPT-5, Grok Imagine, Midjourney, Canva AI, Pictory AI, Synthesia, DALL-E, Jasper AI, and 250 plus more, all in one place. After your successful registration, log into the dashboard with your login details. You'll be directed to this dashboard. On the left side panel, you'll have access to each and every feature in this tool such as Dashboard, AI Chat Hub, AI Image Generation, AI Video Generation and 250 plus AI tools. And also you can check your credits left in your account. Let's quickly dive into the demo by choosing AI Chat Hub. It will display all the latest AI chat tools like ChatGPT-5, Grok, DeepSeek etc. in it. Choose your preferred model and begin your chat with the tool. Next, we'll check out the AI Image Generation tool. Inside this also you'll have many latest AI image generating models like Grok AI Imagine, Midjourney, DALL-E 3 etc. Choose your model, enter your prompt, and then choose your aspect ratio and then hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds it will generate the image you asked. You can download it to your devices easily by clicking the Download Image button below. Like this, you can try with all the models in it for your preferences. Let's jump into the AI Video Generation tool. Just enter your prompt and then hit the Generate Video button below. Within a minute your video will be generated. You can download the video to your devices easily. Now, let's dive into the highlight feature of this tool. In the left side panel, under Pro Tools, you can see that 250 plus AI tools were given for you to access. Just click and enjoy the tools you need for your business.
Prefer dark and light mode, there's an icon in the right top to switch between them.
Clicking Settings will enable you to change the password of your account.
I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.